You've come a long way from Dresden?
Yeah.
And you came all the way from Berlin?
That's exactly it.
I'm working for the traffic accident research in Dresden.
Well, right now I'm studying vehicle technology at Berlin. I'm right now in my master's, and hopefully in 1 semester I'm done.
Malte, you came from Stuttgart to the ABEX Symposium here. So what is your background?
I have studied sports engineering and mechanical engineering, and right now I'm a test engineer for IDIADA in Germany. I'm doing the crash tests.
Florian, you are a PhD student at the Fraunhofer ICT.
That's correct, yes.
Anna, you're a doctoral student and you joined the Young Talent Program here at the ABEX Symposium. What is your doctoral thesis about?
I am doing process development for the thermoforming of monomaterial sandwich structures.
You're a doctoral student. What is your thesis topic?
It is about integration of adaptivity in the seatbelt and there on the textile level.
So how did you like it so far?
So far it was very nice. It was very interesting to meet those people, to see the stands. And I was even giving a presentation myself today.
So you also had the opportunity to present your poster today. What was that about?
It was about a monomaterial sandwich seatback structure that is also at the Fraunhofer booth. And I presented the process development that we did and the whole morphology approach that we used.
So you had an exhibition tour yesterday and today. And what was most impressive to you?
Probably the presentation of ZF. It was really nice to see the systems they are creating.
And one of the best one was actually Young Fan.
So what was impressive about their booth?
They had the best goodies.
Okay, that's important too.
I really liked the stuff at the ZF Live Tech booth. They had some seatbelt presentations and you could sit in a seat and try it. It was really nice.
Most impressive is for sure the cars that cut in half, where you can see every detail.
Cutaway models?
Yes, the cutaway models. Also to get in touch with the engineers, what they thought about the structure and what's behind all that.
There were also presentations today that you joined. What was the most impressive presentation?
I really enjoyed the one from my colleague Florian Salk. He presented on the safety of next-gen batteries, and I learned a lot about the challenges and also the solutions that can be done. It was really interesting to hear about Volkswagen, also about Daimler or Mercedes.
What are your learnings from this symposium so far?
So far I was quite impressed like how many aspects of safety go into the car. So from my PhD I know about the safety of batteries, but like I've seen everything from the belts to the airbags, everything to the casing of the batteries. It was like a big impact.
The traffic accident research is quite an interesting topic, and I think also here the symposium should be more represented, I guess, maybe in the future.
To get in contact with all these people that are here on the exhibition and not to be shy.
Networking is key here, yeah, for sure. Yeah.
And what was most impressive to you?
The most impressive were the knowledge of the people. Like they had so much charisma and so much knowledge. And they were so patient with the students, like there was a ask everything we want, don't be afraid. They took a lot of pressure from us that we are studying right now.
Talk to the people and also to get to know their point of view from the industrial point of view.
For me, most impressive was the poster session, especially at ZF Live Tech, because there is the link, the strongest between my topic in my PhD thesis and their developments.
Yeah.
I think overall the experience here, all the different kind of OEMs and tier ones that are participating here, the different lectures that I've heard, especially for a young professional, it's really cool to see how the industry works and get together. Yeah, it's really cool.
What are your learnings from the overall symposium?
There are a lot of challenges, but there are also a lot of solutions. And I'm excited what will come in the future here.